Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot. Many of you know me as Clipper Guy, and this is a video series on better faded haircuts. And it's the introduction, if you haven't already met it, of the Clipper Guy dual texture fade brush. So think of this as an unboxing video. We're taking it out of the box. We're going to learn a little bit about it. This is a dual texture fade brush. It's a two-piece brush. It comes apart easily for cleaning, and cleaning is a big element of what these fade brushes are all about. You'll learn about that in a sanitation video, but they snap together and they're easy to use. They feature a dual texture surface. They're made from ABS plastic and hospital grade silicone. So they're fully sanitizable, they're fully disinfectable, they're totally clean, which is very, very important, and they're one of the keys to creating better fade haircuts. You can purchase these online. They're sold in a 2-pack at ivanzoot.com. The link is in the video description, and frequently we're running a special: buy 2-packs, 4 brushes, and I'll throw in the 5th one absolutely free. So after you've seen the series of videos, go online, order up a couple 2-packs, get a free brush, and get busy doing better fades with Clipper Guy dual texture fade brushes.